Hey Poshers, my name is Stephanie Barclay, and Andrea asked me to pop on here really quick so I could give y'all some tips about hosting in regards to UnCon and kind of share with you what my plans are going to be for that. I'm going to give you a couple tips on how I'm prepping for that first. I make sure that all of my customers, my friends, my family, my kids, my neighbors, that they all know that it's my biggest trip of the year. It creates a buzz, it creates a little bit of excitement because they all know that I'm going to come back with new Posh. They know that I'm off to the latest and greatest trainings for the year. They know that I'm off to experience these new and amazing things. So everybody's waiting. They're kind of on the edge of their seats because they know I'm gonna come back with the latest and greatest amazing products. So I like to post on my social media, whether you do Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or group texting, whatever it is that you do, post that I'm leaving, and then I make sure to document the most fun things while I'm there. And I document all the unique experiences that, of course, only Posh provides for us. So people are watching and people are wishing that they were there too. And that goes for teammates, customers, and friends. So I'm of course going to document when I leave and where I'm going. I'll post a picture of the hotel when I get there, all the schwanky decorations that Cami and her team come up with. Of course, I'll post about Golden Ticket Night and Rachel Hollis, hello. And then I make sure that I showcase all the new products. So eyes are on me. So now that I have people watching, now that I have customers, friends, and family watching, is when I will go in and announce that I'm gonna do an UnCon open house when I get home. So I make sure to place an order on Posh Night as soon as the website goes back up, because then the stuff will be on its way as quick as possible. I'll use the freebies that I got at UnCon. I'll bring those home with me, so I will be able to create quite a spread for this open house when I get home. And I like to theme my open houses or parties instead of just saying it's a Posh party, because that can get a little bit redundant. Whereas where I live, we're about to go back to school, and so I'm gonna theme it as a back to school / fall. You get it? Because we're going into fall and it's all our fall products. Fall in love with Posh. So I send out invitations or a group text, or I just tell people in person. So I'm hosting this open house and it's gonna be so fun. Just come stop by. No pressure. And I always make sure to reiterate, come as you are. Because sometimes at the end of the day, if you're like me, you've already got your soft pants on, your hair's in a messy bun, you've used all the dry shampoo that your hair can handle for the week, and you just need to relax. So come as you are. It doesn't matter what you wear, how you look, what state you're in, just come and hang out with us for a few minutes. And I'll have, a buffet spread in my kitchen of finger foods, snacks, light things that kind of gives people a place. I'm Southern, so anything that I host centers around food. So food creates conversation. Nobody wants to show up at somebody's house and not be fed. Let's be real here. And so I'll have a spread in the kitchen. People can eat and visit, kind of break the ice a little bit. And then in my dining room, I just have all the new products laid out, and I will make sure to have the new catalogs. And here's something that's really important. On the plane ride home from UnCon, or train or car or bus or walking, however you're getting home from UnCon, or even if you're watching it virtually, because I know a lot of y'all are doing that too, as soon as you can get your hands on that catalog, even if it is just the PDF format, study it. Every new catalog launch, that needs to be your Bible, because you're about to host this event and introduce these new products to your customers, and they're gonna ask you a question. You better know the answer. So on my way home from UnCon, I do study that catalog so I can answer all the questions. So I have this beautiful spread of snacks. I have all my friends and family. I have all the new products because they need to activate all their senses. They need smell, touch, feel, okay, not taste, but they need to activate those senses because it's going to create a connection between them and you and them and the product too. If you get 10 people to come to this open house and they each spend $50, which if they're doing the buy 5 get 1 free, they're going to spend more than $50 usually, you have your 500 and it's the first week of the month. And once you hit your 500, you get the free Oh Snap Big Fat Yummy. Okay, can I just tell you how excited I am about this birthday incentive? Because gifts are my love language. So, gifts, snacks, you know. So, not only am I getting to share Posh, but I'm earning money and then I'm gifting presents to myself. So, I think this is the greatest thing ever. And the way that I'm doing it, the way that I'm keeping myself on track, is you can access everything in your VO. So go to your VO, and I've printed out pieces of paper and hung them in my office of each tier in the incentive. And so I look at it and I know that I want that Big Fat Yummy, because those of you who have been around for a while know the Oh Snap is a cult fave. So I know I want that. So I decided, make a plan for what I need to do, and I've earned it, so I check it off. So now I'm going for the next tier. And if it's in front of you and if you can see it and it's a constant reminder every day that you are literally earning presents for yourself, it has a funny way of pushing you. You can start every day with, what present would I like to earn for myself today? And oh, Big Fat Yummy, check. And with this incentive, Christmas could be paid for, not only with your paycheck, but with all these incentive gifts. We have an iPad, we have a vacuum, we have AirPods. These are things that we all want and we're all probably gonna buy ourselves anyways. Why not earn them for free? So I'm so excited that Andrea let me stop in, and I wanted to talk to y'all for just a minute about this, but there's so many exciting things. So those are my suggestions for throwing an UnCon open house.